Ydyn ni yma a'r bws I Caerdydd.
Edrych mlaen.
I'm very excited.
I think it's going to go really well.
I can't wait to get started.
Croeso cynnes iawn I chi gyd yma heddi. Chi yw aelodau Senedd Ieuenctid Cyntaf Cymru, a mae'n gyfrifoldeb ac yn anrhydedd arbennig iawn. Llongyfarchiadau mawr I chi gyd. Ac ar ôl yr holl ymgyrchu a'r pleidleisio, dyma chi yng nghartref ein democratiaeth, Senedd Cymru.
It's a wonderful thing that the Youth Parliament has finally happened here in Wales. People have been campaigning for it for years. The young people have been elected. They're the ones living in the present, and they'll be the ones in the future who'll be running things here in Wales as well. So for them to have a voice now and to get their messages across is a fantastic thing.
Felly, na I groesawu pawb I gyfarfod cyntaf o Senedd Ieuenctid Cymru. Ac mae'n anrhydedd I fi, Elin Jones, llywydd Senedd, i'ch croesawu chi heddi. Well, it's been a real privilege to be here for the first meeting of the first ever elected Welsh Youth Parliament, but a real privilege also to hear the contributions of the young people on such a vast array of subjects, mental health, future of the Welsh language, and active travel. So it's been a really powerful, uplifting experience to hear young people have such a wide range of views on a number of interesting topics, and they carry that passion with them into this Welsh Youth Parliament.
Rydym ni'n barod I gyhoeddi canlyniadau y bleidlais ar y pynciau rydych chi wedi dewis fel Senedd Ieuenctid Cyntaf Cymru i'w trafod yn ystod eich tymor. Cymorth iechyd emosiynol a iechyd meddwl. I sbwriel a gwastraff plastig ac yn drydydd mae sgiliau bywyd yn y cwricwlwm.
I've made loads of new friends from across Wales.
I'm really proud of myself that I made that clear.